All right, today we're going to bring a KVM switch. Now this one has for two different types of computer to one display. All right. Now in the front of it, you're going to see a couple of connections here. You get the USBs, all right, two USBs. This is going to be either for your mouse or keyboard, or if you have one actually that acts as two, which is a wireless, most likely you probably do. You connect one side and that's pretty much it, and use the other one for anything that you need to transfer. It could be a card reader and so forth. Now you do have a HDMI, and this goes up to 4K, right? So your display could be up to 4K. You can share two different devices. Now here, if you guys can see, it says key. And that's because they give you a little function key that you're able to transfer from computer to computer for the display by a click of a button. When you click once, it starts in one end. When you click again, it goes into the other. So you can share two different devices into the same monitor. Now, they do give you mounts in the back, all right? If you want to mount this under the table, if two different people have to share the screen or maybe a presentation, this is a perfect thing to actually set up on your conference table. Now, let's take a look at the cables themselves. Now, for the cables, all you're going to need is one USB and one HDMI. So one USB for the keyboard mouse, that's going to be all related within the system, and then the display, of course. And the same thing for the other end. Let's put this to a test and set it up and connect our system. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I decided instead of wires, we're going to put a USB for the actual keyboard. We're going to put another USB here for the actual mouse. So we're going to have keyboard and mouse wirelessly working from the system. And if you guys could see, I could actually see the mouse here. It's right here in the same screen. So if I switch it over to the next computer, these two devices should be able to pick up on there. So we're going to move them in, and there's one, and we're going to put the keyboard in there. There's the other one right there. So keyboard kicking in, and if you guys can see, it shows up on the screen. Click again. Everything's going to transfer over to this device. You're going to display it here. These two items, which is the keyboard and mouse, are going to be able to work from here. So let's go ahead and test it out. And here it goes. There's one. And then I'm going to hit the Windows. And you guys see, mouse works great. So this device here gives you access to use the same keyboard and mouse. This is perfect for if you're in the server room, you have two servers that need to connect to the same monitor. This is a perfect way to do it. I actually used these devices in the past where I had one screen and two different computers, two different servers, I would say, you know. So either server or either computer could use the same keyboard and mouse and the same monitor too. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.